Assalamu alaikum. I am Numan Mehboob, and today we are here with a new problem. I have received a card of Life Fitness. Basically, this card come in old treadmills, and the problem of this card is this is not powering up. So I have tested all the optocouplers, assembly resistances, capacitors, and diodes, but I found nothing faulty. So when you have checked all the components, then there comes a one thing that is called a power module. This is basically a IGBT module, and this is many of its versions are installed in today's VFDs and all kind of AC motor control cards. Basically, this is a very powerful IGBT module, but if some kind of short circuiting occurs around it, it just shorts itself. Now this is a model. Its model is it is basically the power module of Infineon. We have different other manufacturer of this kind of modules, but they have changed model numbers. So this is BSM20GP60. Now how to check it that either it is faulty or it is not? So this is in this module there is a top cover given, and you can just take it out by using some kind of a tweezer or a pin. Now let me find some pin to take it out. Here I got a screw for opening it up. These Infineon modules are very good, especially this one, because you can check it out easily by bringing the cover up. Now here you can see that this part is burnt, and this one also. These are small IGBTs, and couple of pairs of IGBTs make a module. So this one, basically the main problem occurs from here. Normally this is because of some fluctuations, some high voltages coming on the incoming AC supply. So this is the main you can check this one by this way, but for checking the other modules whose top covers are not openable, you can just check that modules by bringing out their manuals, their schematics, and you will check out different pins, and especially you start from the supply that is supplying voltages to the module. Now here if we want to check these things, let's assume that if this cover was not openable, so we will have to check it through the pin that either the module is faulty or not. So let's say tell you how to check this module using the pins, using your multimeter. Well, these are the two pins that are supplying initial voltages to the MOSFET. So while checking the MOSFET, I just bring this wire out, this ones. So that's why it is not giving me a short on these pins. If I have not disturbed it, then when we will short these two pins, you can check that these are on its schematic, that it is giving that it is a supply pins. Then if I haven't disturbed these pins, then it will be showing a short. So you can check these kind of MOSFETs by using this way. And if you have any issues on this particular problem, then you can just message me, you can just text me on my given contact numbers and my emails, and I will help you out in that way. Keep liking my videos, subscribe to my channel, and for my upcoming video, also press the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload my videos. uh, till my next video, take care, stay blessed, Khuda Hafiz.